I want to talk about something that's deeply personal to me: thinning hair. Let me tell you about SureThik. It's a product that helps regain the appearance of fuller hair instantly. It's 100% natural keratin made in North America. The fiber bottle comes with a salt and pepper shaker. All you need to do is sprinkle the fibers over your thinning areas. Use a gentle patting motion to distribute the fibers and blend them into your natural hair. For precise coverage, the fibers can also be used as a spray by getting the additional application tools along with the fibers. Now, the first step is to remove the sifter. Take the SureThik applicator and turn it clockwise until it locks into place. The applicator comes with 3 nozzles: the regular nozzle, that's for normal to large areas; spray nozzle for a more even and controlled application; and precision nozzle for smaller areas and edges. Take the new nozzle and twist it clockwise until it clicks into place. Make sure it's securely attached to the bottle. Then remove the blue plug from the nozzle. Place the plug into the mate spot. Use the hairline tool to create a natural looking front hairline. Since the applicator is gravity fed, rotate it upside down and start spraying. Use a small amount. Less is more when it comes to using SureThik hair fibers. Start by applying a small amount to the thinning spots and gradually building up coverage until you achieve the desired look. See the difference SureThik Fibers made? To help the fibers stay in place, use SureThik holding spray. It is alcohol-free and adds shine to matte fibers. It's mess-free and does not transfer on my hands or clothes. Don't wait any longer. Take your first step towards hair transformation today.